Hello everyone! Welcome to my small farm. This is the fruit garden and the cute little animals I raise. What do you think of them?
Hello, beautiful. I just arrived here, but I think I am lost. May I ask for directions?
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Rumi. You don't need to apologize to me. If possible, I want to buy all the vegetables and fruits you picked today. Please help me pack everything and put them on the car.
Oh my god! What?
What? You're not joking, right? Do you really want to take all these vegetables and fruits? There are really a lot here.
Thank you for these fresh and delicious vegetables and fruits. I will enjoy eating them very much. See you again.
Bye-bye!
A few moments later.
Ha. Hello, everyone. Today I am hosting this party to find a beautiful life partner who is a perfect match for me.
Oh, handsome and wealthy young man, please help someone as poor as me. I'm very hungry. Please give me some food.
Ew, well, no. Where did this ugly, stinky old woman come from? Why is someone like her allowed into my party? Get out quickly.
Oh no!
What the dog doing?
Oh, wow. So you're a fairy?
You are a mean-spirited person. When you meet someone who loves this ugly appearance, you will return to your old self.
Oh
Huh. Oh no, please don't turn me into this. Please forgive me. With my ugliness, who could truly love me?
Huh. Hey, are you okay, little girl?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let me help you. If you don't mind my ugliness, you can rest at my house for a while.
Yes!
Let's go.
This is my home.
Wow.
Amazing.
Blah 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 blah.
Hey, Rumi, although I just met you for the first time, I really like you. If you don't mind my ugly appearance, would you be my girlfriend?
Nice.
What's going on?
Oh, wonderful. I am back to how I used to be. Thank you very much, Rumi. Thank you, my love.